How can I fix the gurgling sound in my sink when I flush the toilet?
Hello, DIY enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to tackle a common household problem, a gurgling sink when you flush the toilet. The gurgling sound is usually a sign of blocked venting in the plumbing system. This causes negative air pressure, which results in the gurgling noise you hear. Don't worry, though, with some basic tools and a little bit of your time, you can fix this issue yourself.
What tools do you need?
To address this problem, you'll need a plunger, a plumber's snake or auger, and a garden hose. Optional but helpful tools are gloves and a bucket. Remember, safety first. So, don't forget to wear appropriate clothing and gloves.
How to identify the problem?
The first thing to do is to confirm the issue is indeed a blocked vent. To do this, you will need to locate the vent for your bathroom. This is typically a pipe sticking out of your roof above the bathroom. Once located, check for any obvious blockages.
How to clear the vent pipe?
The next step is to clear the vent pipe. Here's how. 1. Use a garden hose. Insert a garden hose into the vent pipe and turn on the water. The force of the water might be enough to clear the blockage. 2. Use a plumber's snake. If the garden hose doesn't work, use a plumber's snake to clear the blockage. Insert the snake into the vent pipe and turn it to break up the blockage. Remember, you must be careful when you're on the roof. If you're not comfortable with heights or if the roof is steep, consider hiring a professional.
How to check if the problem is fixed?
After you have cleared the vent pipe, the next step is to check if the problem is fixed. Flush the toilet and listen for the gurgling sound in your sink. If the sound is gone, you have successfully fixed the issue. If the gurgling sound persists, the blockage might be somewhere else in the system, and you might need to call a professional plumber. We hope this guide has been helpful in solving your gurgling sink issue. Remember, it's essential to keep your plumbing system in good shape to prevent such problems. Stay tuned for more DIY tips and tricks, and remember to always put safety first. Happy fixing!